Dumb ass was talking. Man, I don't like that dumb shit. Like, what the fuck? Too many hundreds stuffed inside my pockets. Too many hundreds stuffed inside my pockets. Run it up. Too many hundreds in my pockets. What the fuck? Too many hundreds stuffed inside my pockets. What the fuck? I got like too many hoes that's at the crib that wanna fuck. Yo, bitch a baddie. All that she need now is just a tummy tuck. I got like too much drip on me. When I pop out, it's no shirt. I pull up all red Bentley wagon. Like what's bracket? You know I bang slime. I pull up Benji wagons. Like what happened? They killed your homie, he died. You tried to lie on me like I don't slide. Like bitch, I ain't outside. I'm still out here stepping. Knobs ain't even try me not one time. That pussy pay the fine. And when we find him, you know we gon' down. You stepping out of line, just like your dad. Pussy boy, you grounded. The way I hit your hoe, she told her friends, they was all astounded. I'm glad I started rapping. My true gift, I'm glad I really found it. Your bitch on me bounce, she like a foe. So I'm gon' throw her off. And the killers stay around me, they out control. Shit, they might even pop. Your bitch get surrounded. Up on my post, she at my pool party. Like 3-5 rolled in this backwoods. Spark up like who far. Man, this shit normal. I swear to God, I'm pussy every man mortal when I go sick all of my dogs on. If you ain't doing shit for us, then bitch stop all that talking on.